number 4.
I turn to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so.
Candidate number 4 is Shefora K. Fernandez, the only daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Eleni Masamayor. She was born on March 6, 2005. She is fondly called Kate by her family and friends. Her hobbies include watching TV, singing, dancing, and playing with her friends. She wished to become a nurse someday.
Wherever you are, I fear that I might.
Okay, ito daw ko lang. Okay. Kasing ganda ko ang batang ito nung bata ako. Ingkit lang, hindi tayo. Okay. Ganito ako kaganda. No. Char. Okay, ito ang tanong. Ito ang tanong. May bago kayong kaklase. May bago ha. Hindi luma, kundi bago. Nakita mo siya sa isang tabi na tahimik at malungkot. Okay. Tahimik at malungkot, bagong kaklase. Ano ang iyong gagawin? Okay, lakasan natin para marinig nila ha. Okay, pupuntahan mo siya para hindi na siya malungkot. Okay, tama ba yun mga bata? Mga nanay, okay, pag may nakitang ibang tao na malungkot na sa tabi, nalapitan din. Okay, ganun ang gagawin mo. Okay, thank you.
Have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I'm alone, after a long, long while, it was destiny's game.
Candidate number 4 is Alan Caldes, the only son of Mr. and Mrs. Caldes. He was born. Okay, he is fondly called Alan by his family and friends. His hobbies include watching TV, singing, dancing, and playing with his friends. He wished to become an engineer someday.
In my arms come true. You make.
Okay, isa-isa lang Alan. Okay, si Alan, kumusta si Alan ngayon?